Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to install Flutter in Windows 11. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your browser and after that go on to Flutter website. I will be leaving the link in the description of this website. So you guys just have to click on that and after that you guys will be seeing this type of interface. And after seeing this type of interface, you guys had to set your OS, like which OS are you using, Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Chrome. Just like I'm using Windows, so I will click on Windows. I'll click on desktop and after that you guys have to scroll down a little bit and click up on this Flutter Windows table.zip. Just download it, download, and you guys have to make sure two things: that you didn't download the C program files and do not download in the folder that contains specific characters or spaces. So after downloading it, you guys just have to copy up the path of Flutter and open up the environmental variables, just like environmental. You guys have to open up the environmental variables, click on it and go on to environmental variables and click upon this path and click on new. And after new, just paste the path of Flutter here. And after that, your Flutter will be installed. And that's how you guys can easily install the Flutter in Windows 11.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.